I'm author Jeff Summers, and this is Writing Without Rules, where I'm writing a novel in real time in order to demonstrate some of the lessons I've learned over the course of my writing career. This week, I'm into chapter 1 of my novel, Rough Beast, and that means that it's time to talk a little bit about word count. Now, anyone who's been paying any attention to me for any period of time knows that I deprecate word count as a writing tool. It's a useful metric, and I use word count all the time when talking about my books with my agent or editors or the random people on the street who stop me to ask unrelated questions like, why do you smell so strongly of mineral spirits? Or why are you still following me? But the problem is a lot of authors use word count to decide whether they're making good progress in their book, whether they're doing good work, and that's a terrible idea. As far as the artistic merit of your novel goes, word counts are useless. There's also these rules of thumb that people will tell you that in order for your book to be viable on the marketplace, you have to hit, say, 80,000 words or something like that. And these aren't rules. These are guidelines that get broken all the time. For example, my first published novel, Lifers, was only about 40,000 words. Now look, if your writing process is all about word count, that's fine. You do you, and I'm not telling you to do anything else. All I'm saying is that ending every day by tweeting out, I hit my word count goal of 75,000 words today and my fingers are bloody stumps, doesn't necessarily mean that you've done good work today or that your novel's any good. So if I don't use word count, how do I judge progress in my novel? It's a gut feeling, really. If I wrote a paragraph or a sentence or a single word that I feel good about today, then I think I did some pretty good work, and I don't worry so much about how far I got statistically speaking. If you really want to know how far I am word count-wise into Chapter 1 of Rough Beast, I'll tell you the number. It's 1,345 words right now. More importantly, I like the opening scene that I've crafted. I like the next step that I have planned for it, and I'm excited to keep working, and that's more important to me than the number of words I actually got written. So, until next time, I'm Jeff Summers, and the reason I smell so strongly of mineral spirits is none of your business.